Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is MatSec. We are back with another video, enumeration and brute force from TryhackMe. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from me. Let's get into the video. Enumeration and brute force. This room has sent 7 tasks, so we need to complete all those tasks to complete this room. Task 1 is introduction. So this room covers all the objectives and prerequisites for the enumeration and brute force. So feel free to go through this. So, and also an important note have added in this task is to add an IP on etc host file. So I have already added mine. And then what we need to do is just go through the task 2. And in this, they have mentioned about the authentication enumeration, like what are the things we can enumerate using the authentication, and what are the common places to look for, like registration pages, password reset features, verbose errors, and data breach informations. So what type of error message can unintentionally provide attackers with confirmations of valid usernames? So the answer is verbose errors. So next one is task 3, enumerating users via verbose error. So we'll directly go into the practical one, and this is the URL we need to log in. So what we have to do is http enum.thm and verbose login attempts lab, this one. So in this challenge, what we have to find is we need to find a valid user email address using the verbose error. So they have already given an valid email address and an automation script to brute force all the emails and check for the valid one, and the email text file. So what we need to do is just type test@test.com, any password like test, and enter. You will receive an error, invalid password. For the same thing, like if you type like admin at thm.com, enter. So this shows email does not exist. So this means this email address is not present on the DB. So we can find this, this is not a valid email easily using this verbose error. So using this technique, what we're going to do is they have already given a script for us. So this is a Python script. We're just going to copy this. So this script going to brute force the email address one by one, and it will check for the valid errors, I mean the verbose errors, and check if it comes invalid password, it's a valid email, and if not, it will show it is not valid. So let's copy the script and open a terminal, type mousepad enum email.py and paste the script, save it. So, and also we need an Gmail text file. So open this repository, just copy it and go to terminal, type mousepad gmail.txt, enter, and paste this usernames and save this. So now we can run the script, python 3 and enum.py and gmail.txt. So enter. So this might take some time to run. So what it does here is it is checking for the verbose error and giving the whether it's invalid or valid. So let's wait for some time. So after some time, we found a valid email address. So this is the valid email address. If you copy this and go to the app and just paste the email here and any password, submit, it will show invalid password. So this is a valid email address. So you can just go here and directly answer this and solve this task. So let's move on to task 4, which is exploiting vulnerable password reset logic. So for this, just go to enum.thm and open predictable token lab. So here, just click forgot password. So what this task says about us, like we have to click a forgot password, and after that we need to enter a valid email address, and when you click submit, this will send an reset password link to your email address. So this link look like this. So this contains a token, and we're gonna solve this room by exploiting this token. So we're gonna generate an payload file from 100 to 200. Using that, we're going to exploit this and get the new password. So that's a room agenda. So this is what we're going to do. And let's go to the lab. Just click here to forgot password, type admin and submit. So this says like password reset link has been sent to your email. So this is the similar link what they have shared. So this is the link which will be receiving on the email. So just copy that and just put it here and open a burp suite, turn on the burp proxy, intercept on and enter. So just send this to intruder and turn off this. Now what we're going to do is we need to generate an OTP. I mean, sorry, the token. So just copy that and go to the terminal. Just paste it here. So enter. So the crunch is a tool which is used to generate a word list. So what it says here is 3 is an minimum and 3 is maximum letters, I mean digits what we can have. And the OTP, like O is the output file, we're going to save this as otp.txt, and T is the string, I mean the integers what we're going to have it here. This percentage says like first digit, second digit, third digit, and S is a string like starting from 100 to ending 200. So we have like 101 payloads. So the thing is already generated. So if you type VZL and otp.txt, we have 101 payloads. So now what we need to do is just go to the intruder and payloads, load otp.txt, and we have to set a position which is this, add and start attack. So this might take some time, so please wait. So after some times I check the length. So if you see here, there is 1127, which is slightly different from others. And if you check the response, you go below, we have the new password. So this is the new password. If you copy this and go to the app and click login here, admin@admin.com, and then paste it here, submit. Now we have the flag, and you can just go and answer that and complete this task. Next, task 5, exploiting HTTP basic authentication. So the basic authentication, how it works is the client sends an request, the server says it is unauthorized to access, and it asks for the credentials. So client sends an authorization basic with base64 encoded credentials, and then server checks for the credentials, and if it is valid credentials, it will send 200. If not, it will send 401 unauthorized. So this is the basic overview of the basic authorization, and we'll just go to the lab. So just type enum.thm, click HTTP basic authentication lab, turn on just close this intruder. We all turn on the intercept and type admin and send this to intruder. Turn off this. So now just select this and convert selections base64 decode. So this is shows the admin and password as admin. So what we can do is we need a payload to exploit this. So for that, they have already given an payload text file, so which is this 500 verse passwords. So just click that and copy this. Go to the burp suite. So on payload, just paste this. And then what we need to do is we need to process the payload, like add it. The first rule should be we need to add a prefix, which is admin and colon and OK. And second rule should be like we need to encode this using an base 64. So base 64 encode and OK. All good. Then what we need to do is we need to select this as an payload position. Add it. Now start attack. So this might take some time, so please wait. So after 100 payloads, I have just checked the status code. If you see here, there is a 200 status code. You click that and just select that and convert the selection to base 64 decode. The password is admin and hello. So this is the password. So just open thing, type admin and hello. We need to turn off the burp, disable this and sign in. We have the flag, so you can submit this for the answer. And the next question is try using Hydra instead of burp to brute force the password. To run on Hydra, what we need to do is it's Hydra L admin and P for the password list, which is we didn't save anything. Like first we need to create one. Mousepad pass.txt and copy this, go to the terminal, go to the file and paste this, save it. So now go here and pass.txt, then http get, paste the URL, which is this, copy it, go to terminal and paste it. So HTTP is not required. After that, what we need to do is a equal to basic and verbose, enter. So this is an fastest method to find the password. So we have the admin as the login and password is hello. So we have completed task 5. Now task 6, Ozen. So this covers the topic about Wayback URLs and Google Docs. So Wayback URLs has an oldest versions of the web pages, and Google Docs is also used to find specific informations about a website. And also this is also called as an Google hacking. Please feel free to go to this and read it. So that's been said, we are in conclusion. So the key takeaway from this room is effective enumeration and brute force efficiency and ethical responsibility. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.